What is private mortgage insurance, also known as PMI or MI? So, private mortgage insurance is something that you have to incur on a conventional loan, typically when you're putting down less than 20%. Now, what does PMI do for you as the consumer? Really nothing. This is an insurance that protects the bank or lender in case you go into default. Now, PMI has been around since the 1950s, and sometimes it gets a bad rap. But if it wasn't for PMI, a lot of homeowners and first time homeowners, especially, would not be able to get in properties because this is what allowed people to put less than 20% down, and in some cases, as little as 3% down. Now, PMI is going to vary between consumers. A lot of it has to do with your down payment, your credit score, your debt to income ratio, the type of property, etc. Now, there's two ways to get rid of PMI. You do not have it over the life of the loan on a conventional loan. The first method is what we call the appraisal method. This is based on how much equity you have in the property. Now, if you've owned the property for between 2 and 5 years and you feel the value has gone up, you can request an appraisal from your current servicer. And as long as you haven't been late and you have 25% equity in the property, you can get the PMI removed. If you've owned the property for over 5 years, same method, you just need to have 20% equity in the property and you can get it removed. Less than 2 years, you typically cannot remove the PMI unless you show that you've done substantial improvements to the property. This usually requires some sort of addition or extensive renovations, which the lender or servicer may require proof of. That's the first method. The second is the automatic and guaranteed way to get rid of PMI. And that's when you pay the mortgage down from the original balance to 78%. So 78% loan to value. When you reach that mark, assuming you've never been late, they will automatically remove the PMI. I hope you found this informative. If you have any other questions regarding PMI, feel free to reach out. Thank you.